Before we proceed, we will look at the application and what kind of colors we actually need. So we go through this application and then we see that we have actually just a few colors. First we have a dark blue, then a white, then these are like system colors, the gray tones of colors you can see. Then we have like a slightly brighter blue, and we also have a green and a red. So first of all, we will create these colors, and these colors are system colors, which you can see here. But to have like a good looking view for many screens, we will simply now create these colors, which you can see here, and actually later on integrate gradients, which you can see here, so everything looks like a bit more lively. And when it comes to action buttons, we use different methods. For example, here we use a white circle, which is expanding, then red for an exit button, and again white, and when people actually have to click somewhere, we deviate from this dark blue gradient and go to a more solid blue. Okay, so let's create these colors. Therefore, we click here on the plus sign, then on color set. Then we click here and define that it's none, so it only has one mode. And we will later on select the options so this application only works for a dark mode, because this is what we are aiming for with this kind of colors. Okay, so dark blue first. Therefore, we select the color panel and go for dark blue, something like this. Okay. Okay, we click on it multiple times so we can actually change the name. And you can also change the opacity, as you can see here, if you would like to. This works. Maybe we'll just adjust the opacity because it's maybe too much for the eyes if it's so standing out. Okay. Go for 90. You can also look up colors on the internet which actually work well with each other, so you have a good guideline for how to create colors and use them. I just want to show that you can actually simply improvise, and this should also work. Yeah, okay, we will adjust the green, turn up the opacity, and use a slightly different color, more like this. Okay, then the only thing that is missing is this blue. We have a green, we have a red, even though this is like between red and orange. Then we need blue. Let's go with this. Okay, so now we have a few colors that we actually added. Perfect.